everyone, I'm Sydney Philippis with Sterling Structural, the world's largest CLT manufacturer by capacity. And to be honest, we're just getting started. Not only can we manufacture a CLT panel every 65 seconds, we partner with glulam manufacturers across the country to bring your mass timber building to life. Our motto is mass timber for the masses. And how are we doing that? Our goal is to make designing and building with mass timber easier. And that means partnering with architects and engineers to assist in the design, detailing, and specification process. Working with CLT Toolbox seems like the best solution. They're providing a software that takes a lot of the guesswork out of designing with mass timber for architects and engineers, and we couldn't be more excited to be on this platform. We're super excited to see more mass timber in the industry. We know it's changing the game as it comes to sustainable and more beautiful buildings, and we look forward to all the designs that you come up with.